Well, good afternoon, everyone, or good evening. I'm Gray Shot Down behind the wheel, doing another action drive. This is Tesla's full self-driving 11.4.7 software stack. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. Might have to give it a little accelerator, a little throttle love through the roundabout here. We don't have to stop, and usually it wants to. Yeah, like right now it's wanting to stop, so I'll take over on the acceleration. We'll see what it does on the steering. Okay, it's wanting to drive all of this. I'm not doing anything. I just gave it a little help going into it, but it automatically did all of that. Okay, getting onto the freeway. No, it's not 27. Why do you drop like that? I've had that issue there for a little while, where sometimes when you get on an on ramp, it'll just drop down because it doesn't have proper map data. And so essentially, what happens is it just immediately drops down to 27 miles an hour and starts to slow. And you're like, well, wait a minute, no, it's we're getting onto a freeway where everyone else is doing like 80, 90, some idiots 100. Don't miss your exit. There we go. Come on, let him over. Let him over, Lightning. Let him over. Hey, there he goes. Sometimes I yell at the software. Maybe it works. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. It seems to help. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, lightning, really? Are you fucking kidding me? Well, I'm glad I caught it on camera. I'm really glad I caught it on. Why would you take that exit, dumbass? That was my voice recording. Like, I'm sure if you're listening to the unedited of this, you can hear the frustration in my voice. It has been better than this. Elon has talked about 2 steps forward, 1 step back. This is absolutely, hands down, unequivocally 1 step back. And I'm 90% sure that Doggone Sci-Fi would agree with me on this. She drives a Model 3 as her daily driver, and we both have the same software. And she was telling me the other day she was disengaging it and almost wanting to cuss at the software from how frustrated she was. So, all right, I just happened to cuss at it on camera. Oh well. I never marked this channel for kids. I'm just saying. If you're a kid and you're watching this, thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, no, I never said that this was marked for kids. So we're good. Did that nicely. Phantom turn signal there. I'm going to manually take over and just go in this entrance. No offense to the navigation for the 900th time. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down, doing an action drive. If you're liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps a crazy YouTube algorithm, and I'll keep them coming.